Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant. Once again, we're going to be taking a look at the Value Charts live trading room trades of the day for March 25th, 2013. Had another great day. A lot of great trading opportunities presented themselves. We had very many winning trades, quite a few winning trades that turned out very well. I'm going to highlight just a couple of them right now, but we did have additional trades that worked out very well in a few other markets in addition to the three I'm going to highlight here. The first one we're going to talk about is crude oil. We had a textbook red hat doji, which is a value candlestick reversal pattern on a 60-minute chart, and that is where we have a doji with a significantly overvalued upper wick. Turned out very nice, and you can see that rolled over from 94.92 all the way down. Right now it's at 94.30, so that's 60 ticks so far that it's gone down. Very nice trade there. The next one I'll point out is a long in treasury bonds. This turned out to be a great trade as well. The reason we had the long, we had a bullish divergence on a 15-minute chart, and then we also pulled up the 240-minute chart, and we had a trend line coming up across the lower low, all the lows here from the past couple of weeks, and then we had a trend line at the tops coming across saying we were in basically a channel pattern. You can see we came right down to it and literally touched it right down to the tick on that trend line, and then immediately rallied right back around. That got you long from around 142 20-30 seconds. It rallied all the way up to 143 and 23 30 seconds, so a point and 3 ticks. Not a bad move. A great trade there in treasury bonds as well. The next one I'll look at, and the last one I'll look at for today's trades of the day, is a short, once again, in RBOB. Worked out very nice. We said RBOB had a bearish divergence on a 15-minute chart, so we were looking for short opportunities. And then what we said is we pulled up this tick chart and we said we're going to try to get short once the trend rolls over. So we had two different trend indicators. We had the MQ regression and the MQ trend. MQ trend are these red and green dots. Green dots mean uptrend, red dots mean downtrend. MQ regression is the red and green line here. Green line means uptrend, red line means downtrend. So what we did is we waited until they both were saying it's a downtrend. That's right where this vertical bar was. And then we were looking to strategically find entry points with value charts. So we said, okay, it's overvalued right here for a potential short. It's overvalued right here for a potential short. Overvalued right here for a potential short. And that would have gotten you short in between, call it, even if you got in late, 3.085. You missed the first one, you got the second one. Or 3.7. It came all the way down to a low of 3.35. So 500 ticks from the first one and 350 ticks from the second one. Great trade either way, no matter what your entry was. Ended up being a very nice trade to the downside. We actually had reversals for longs here off a 240-minute trend line that it came right back up and retested. And it rallied all the way up until we had a bearish divergence right here on the 25-tick chart, and now it's started to head back to the downside. So another great day of trading RBOB. We also had some very good trades in heating oil, in soy, in wheat, in the loonie, in the Aussie, a few different markets as well. So all in all, a great trading day. Look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow, bright and early. And until next time, happy trading.